Alright everyone, we are here at the Busch Stadium Parking Garage West. We all know and love these parking garages and their elevators. So, what I'm going to do for the first time ever is ride every bank of elevators. We're going to start here with the West Garage. I've ridden these before. At the top. And of course we have to get a view. There is a game going today. Gotta love downtown St. Louis. There's the other garage over there. We'll get to that later in this video. Let's see if we can get the other car to go back down. Here it is. See if these cabinets are unlocked. Goes inside the cabinets. Here are at orange. Here we have the next bank of elevator here in the West Garage. We'll start by going down. Card reader in this one. Doesn't look like we get to go down. Go up to the top. Take a look at the cabinet, which is locked. Let's see. Orange is open, so we'll see if we can ride down on the other one. We'll get a view on this side. Go ahead and call the elevator once it leaves. Something just happened over there. Here's a view. I think we got the other elevator. Yep. Go down to orange. Okay, this is the bank of 4 here at the West Garage. Oh, here's one right here. There's 4 of these, so I don't think we'll ride all of them. This one's quite the chime. That's locked. This one's a lot dirtier. See, I'll actually send this one down so we can try to get another one going down. They have 4 elevators on this bank. There it goes. We'll bring the other elevator and we'll get a view. There's the stadium over there. There's downtown, and we have another elevator. Let's see which one it is. It's this one. See how this one's doing. Just for the heck of it, we'll see if we can get another one. I think this one's probably waiting here. I sent this one down. Let's just see. Yeah, so we'll just ride those two, but this is the bank of 4. So anyway, now it's time to go to the east garage. After a short walk from the west garage, it's okay. Well, I just almost got run over. I almost got run over by one of those lift scooters. Anyway, we're over here at the east garage, and we're gonna ride these elevators. This one's coming down, either that or it's messed up. This is the bank Andrew and I rode when it was freezing cold. It's the opposite today, it's very hot. Well, let's see how this one runs. Go up to the brown level. Already got an indicator of problem here. There's a cup, let's step on it. Here we are, brown. This cabinet's locked. We'll send this one down to the black level just so we can get another car. Take a look at it here. And we'll take a look at the stadium here in a second. Let's go ahead and call another elevator. Here we have sports, which if anyone knows me well, I don't really do sports, so there you go. Enjoy some sports. And I know, Jacob, you're in there somewhere. You told me you're going to the game today. Hope you had a good time at the game. I'm having a good time riding all of the elevators at the Busch Stadium parking garage. So we got this car. We'll try to get... Ooh, this one smells interesting. Someone's been using some illicit items in here. We'll get a cab view of this one. We'll send this up. We'll see if we can get the last car. No, I don't think I've ever actually come out here before. All right, let's see if we can get it. Still gotta ride that left car over there. All right, so we ended up getting this last... Okay, rude Westie, it just closed on me. We'll start off by going down. We'll do a full ride on this one. Let's see if this cabinet's open. Wow, that's bad, pretty bad. I hate to say today the fan isn't really that bad because it kind of keeps some air circulation in here. Alright, here we are, orange. So there we have all 3 on this bank. Okay, we have the next bank of elevators here where you can see they've removed the car. I doubt this bank gets used as much because it's kind of the furthest away from everything. See if this cabinet's open. Yeah, it is. We'll take a look at what's inside here. You can see there's a light switch, there's a fan, independent service, fan control speed. You can turn on to hand service here with these switches. We'll see if we can get the other car. And right out here, we can see the arch. Well, half of it. You can see there's the park down there. And we got to see St. Louis from this garage here. You can see there's the rooftop restaurant. I think we got the other elevator. Cabinets. It's funny, some of these are open and some of them are locked. Back to orange. Gotta love these elevators. Alright. On to the next set. Okay, here we have the third set of elevators. The East Garage. There's only two here. Oh wow, look at this. So what level am I on? Orange? It's funny, they call Orange Street, but there's the street there. Call the elevator up. And we'll get a view. There's the old Millennium Hotel right there. Yeah, people are parked there. It's very windy out here. You can see there's a better view of the arch. Here's the ramp. There's the stadium over there. I don't think we got the other elevator yet. Here it is. Oh, re-leveled. It's typical cab, just like all the other ones. Guess that worked. That one's locked. Indicator's dead. It's orange. That is interesting, that replacement button, though. We'll take a good look at that. Yeah, I don't remember that one being here, but I don't ride this one very often. But anyway, now we move on to the last bank of elevators. Here we have the fourth and final bank of elevators. Mystery stains. That chimes off. Interesting. It's kind of a creepy area right there. And here's where we get the best view of the stadium. We'll call another elevator up. There you can see, we'll zoom in and we'll watch this pitch. I don't know anything about baseball, so I'm assuming they're gonna hit right now. Here we go. And whack, whack, whack. Anyway, there's this game going on over there. And over here, got a great view of downtown. We'll watch one more pitch. See if he can do it this time. I don't think he did. Anyway, let's continue on with the elevator portion of this video. We lost the elevator. Hopefully we don't get the same one again. Ah. All right, we got the second car. Kind of an interesting view there. Okay. We'll send this one up and see if we can get another car. The last one. We still have to ride this car here. This is creepy down here. Unfortunately, I don't think that third one's working. I've tried to get it a couple times and it hasn't come, so we'll just ride this one up. They level pretty efficiently. So that concludes today's tour of the elevators at the Busch Stadium parking garage. Hope you enjoyed.